Let's create the booking confirmation page. This is what it will look like. I've designed it in Canva, so I can always have a reference point of what it should look like, font, types of font, bolding, buttons, and so on. So it is much quicker to then program and build in WordPress or whichever platform you are using. First things first, we are going to build a new thank you page. So go to your dashboard, whichever platform you're using. I'm going to be showing you on WordPress, and create a new page. Give it a title, so I would call it booking confirmation, and that will automatically turn into your URL as well, and that's a very appropriate URL. Click on Save Draft. And then I'm using the Divi Builder. You use whichever builder that you're used to. So I'm going to use the Divi Builder. And it's just going to be a plain page with title, a bit of text, and a button. The rest, the header and the footer, automatically get added because of your template. You're going to, if you're using Divi Builder, click on Build from Scratch. And you're going to add a single row. And next you're going to choose the text module. Next I'm going to go to my design. I'm going to literally copy it over. It's the quickest and easiest way to do it this way. I'm going to paste, and I'm going to highlight the title and make sure it is formatted as heading 1. The easiest way is just to put all the content on the page first, and then we can style it. So next I'm going to get the confirmation text, paste, and then we have a what happens next. Important that it's not just a blank confirmation page, because we want somebody to take another action, which would be to check their emails. If you need to add a note that they need to pay the rest of the payments before a certain date, you should mention it again here. And then while they are waiting for the retreat to start and getting closer to the time, you want to connect with them to keep them in your ecosystem. If you have a Facebook page and that is your main platform to connect with them on, then promote your Facebook page. If it's your Instagram account, then put the Instagram account. If it's YouTube, and so on. If you would like them to go to your blog, you can do that as well. But just give them one action to do. So if you want them to build your Facebook following, then that's what we're going to do here. You can adapt this text to whatever you want to say, but I'm just giving you some pointers so that we can keep them in the ecosystem. And then the last thing is a button that connects to your Facebook page. So let's just style this first. So this is going to be plain text. Then the what happens next is a heading 2. It's a smaller heading than the main one. The rest is just text. This part, the note, we want to make it italic, so it stands out a little bit. And then we've got the call to action. As you can see, everything's aligned to the left. We would like it to be aligned in the center. Go to design, heading text, and let's align it to the center. And also the H2 to the center. And then we want to align the main text to the center as well. The only thing what we need to do now is add some bolding on this part of this text, and we would like some spacing, so literally just add a bit of spacing, just add a bit of breathing room. And another take break here. Okay, and then we're just going to add a button. So in Divi you add a new module, and it's the button, and we're going to say connect on Facebook. The link will be to your Facebook page itself. And now I just need to style it. So I'm going to align it to the center so it follows nicely below the text. the bottom I'm going to style, and I'm going to choose the color that I've done here because that's my brand color. As I mentioned in one of my live classes, I use the Color Pick eyedropper browser extension for Chrome. Very handy to have, very quick to then get to the color codes that I need. And I'm going to add the color. Oh, but that's the text color. So I'm going to change that, and I would like the text color to be white. And then the background color, which is what I was supposed to do now, is the one that I copied. Perfect. One last thing, when it comes to the link, make sure that it opens in a new tab, not the same window, in a new tab. So basically what will happen when you click on it, it will open another tab at the top and keep this page open, which is sometimes really nice to have if they want to carry on navigating your website. Then you save that, save draft, and before you publish it, just check on tablet and mobile views to see if it all looks good. And it does. Super. So now I'm just going to publish it. Now we have the booking confirmation page. This is an important page when somebody finishes the checkout. So they have made a payment and we want to redirect them to this page so that we can use the information for tracking purposes. We can measure that we've had a successful booking. So when it comes to advertising in the future, you can tell, be it Google ads, be it Facebook ads, that a successful campaign will be based on a successful booking, i.e. this page is viewed. Okay, and if you would like to know how to connect this page with your checkout process, and I'm going to show you in Stripe, have a look for the next tech tutorial.